New standards in education are going into effect this year.
Governor Kitzhaber announced a federal waiver from No Child Left Behind. News 10's Caitlin Conrad spoke with educators in your town about what this means for students.
The new system is based on student growth.
Educator Terry Dahl has spent many years working with children who have special needs. She says the change is a good thing for students.
You can be a student that's a special ed student and make 2 years growth in 1 year and still not meet No Child Left Behind's accountability level.
Dahl says she isn't sure yet which schools will be impacted by the waiver, but students and teachers will still be held accountable for progress.
The students will be measured. They will still be taking assessments like they always have, and teachers will still be doing pre and post testing and teaching directly to the individualized needs of every student in their classroom.
When problem schools are identified, they will be categorized. They'll then receive Title I funding from the federal government and some extra help.
Priority and focus are going to be involved in a deeper diagnosis of exactly what the issues are and how it can be remediated.
The former special ed teacher says Oregon isn't the only state with a waiver. Washington has one too, and other states are putting in the work to get one.
So I feel educators think it's a much fairer way to assess our special needs population.
Dahl says the biggest change is how students' achievement will be measured.
When you look at growth data, 2 years growth is phenomenal.
She says it won't be about benchmarks, but about growth. Covering your news in Medford, Caitlin Conrad, News 10.
And we don't know what schools will be determined focused or priority schools until early August.